So how can you do this problem in 30 seconds or less? The integers n minus 1 and n plus 1 are the factors of 168. What's the greatest possible value of n? So I just got to go through multiple choices. That's fast. So D will have to go out. C, because that's 15, is out. B, we have 6, 7, and 8. They're all divisible. So the answer is B. How was I able to do this problem so fast? So we're looking for the greatest possible value of n, where n is a factor, right? So these are all factors of 168. So instead of trying to figure it out, like, oh, let's do like 168, like, let's use the, prime factorization and 2 and 84 and so on. Like, for this problem, to do it fast, you better off plugging in the answer choices. So since we're looking for the greatest, let's start from the greatest and then go kind of down the list, right? So we're starting from D and going up. So 84. Now 84 itself, so we know that 168 divided by 84, we get 2. So that works out. But 84, that's n, right? So therefore n plus 1 will have to be 85. And 85, there's no way how 168 goes, how 85 goes into 168, because we already got 2 here. So D is definitely out. Now for C, so since this is n, the n plus 1 is going to be equal to 15. Now here's the thing, 168, right? So let's do it here. 168, right? Divided by 15. Does not work. Why? Because 15 is divisible by 5. 168 is not divisible by 5. How do we know that? 168 is not ending with 0, 5, while 15 ends with 0, 5, ends with 5. So therefore, C is off. Now let me change the color, make it less messy. So for B, right? So B, let's do it here. So since n is equal to 7, n minus 1 is going to be equal to 6. N plus 1 is going to be equal to 8. So now the question is, 168. Can we see how they're divisible by 6, 7, 8? So let's go like really quickly. So 6, right? That is 120 plus 48 over 6. See how they're all divisible. So 6 works out. Now 168 divided by 7, that is equal to 140 plus 28 over 7, right? So that's 20, that's 4. So boom. Finally, 168 over 8. That is equal to 160 plus 8 over 8. So that's 20, that's 1. So all three numbers go into 168. We do not even need to check A because we're looking for the greatest possible value. The answer is B. That's it.